People experimenting with ChatGPT were quick to realize that they could use the tool to win coding contests. Teachers have already caught their students using the bot to plagiarize essays. And some women who uploaded their photos to Lensa received back renderings that felt sexualized and made them look skinnier, younger, or even nude. We have reached a turning point with artificial intelligence, and now is a good time to pause and assess, how can we use these tools ethically and safely? For years, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, which also use AI with the butt of jokes because they weren't particularly helpful. But modern AI is just good enough now that many people are seriously contemplating how to fit the tools into their daily lives and occupations. We're at the beginning of a broader societal transformation, said Brian Christian, a computer scientist and the author of The Alignment Problem, a book about the ethical concerns surrounding AI systems. There's going to be a bigger question here for businesses, but in the immediate term, for the education system, what is the future of homework? With careful thought and consideration, we can take advantage of the smarts of these tools without causing harm to ourselves or others. With that in mind, AI can be helpful if we're looking for a light assist. A person could ask a chatbot to rewrite a paragraph in an active voice. A non-native English speaker could ask ChatGPT to remove grammatical errors from an email before sending it. A student could ask the bot for suggestions on how to make an essay more persuasive. But in any situation like those, don't blindly trust the bot. You need a human in the loop to make sure that they're saying what you want them to say and that they're true things instead of false things, and Ms. Mitchell said. And if you do decide to use a tool like ChatGPT or Lensa to produce a piece of work, consider disclosing that it was used, she added. That would be similar to giving credit to other authors for their work. Disclosure, the 9th paragraph of this column, was edited by ChatGPT, though the entire column was written and fact-checked by humans. Please check full article in description. Thank you for watching.